Alright, so first thing we're going to do is mark out the sides of our gumball machine. To do that, we need one of these, which is a steel ruler. Okay, so we're going to measure from one end. When we measure, we never measure from the edge of the ruler because the corners can get rounded and it won't necessarily give us an exact measurement. So what we do is we always measure from a 10 millimeter mark, so 10, 20, 30, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to focus on the 10 millimeter mark here. So we measure from there, and we need to make sure our sides are 400 mil. So what we're going to do is we're not going to mark off at the 400, but we're going to mark off at the 410, okay? Because I've knocked off 10 mil at the end here. So 10 mil here to 410, that's 400 mil, okay? Then I'm going to make sure I give myself a 10 mil gap to cut through, and then I'm going to measure another 400 mil, so go up to 410 again. Okay, and I've got a little bit left over. Okay, so I'm going to circle my marks just so you can see them. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. This is obviously a step you don't need to do. But what I need to do, I need to make my marks across here. I need to make my marks across the timber so I have lines to cut. And to do that, we would use a tri-square. So I get my tri-square and I put it hard up against one edge that I know is straight. Yep. Put it hard up against one edge I know is straight, and I line it up with my mark like so. Get my pencil and draw a line, and that will make a mark that is completely perpendicular to this edge, or at right angles to. Line up with the next mark, little line. Get my last mark at the end, line it up with the mark, and roll my line.